What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Talks. So today in this video we will talk about an interesting meme coin from India, that is Lovely Inu coin. If you are searching for Lovely Inu coin, where to buy Lovely Inu coin, price of Lovely Inu coin or Lovely Inu coin price prediction, then don't get confused as all methods of buying Lovely Inu coin are covered by us in this video. Lovely Inu coin, also known as Lovely Finance, is a decentralized meme cryptocurrency which is founded with the mission of making the price cross $1 mark. The official website of Lovely Inu coin is lovely.finance and the contact address of Lovely Inu coin is as given. So, let's come to the point on how you can purchase Lovely Inu meme coin on a centralized and decentralized exchange. There are two methods of purchasing Lovely Inu coins currently, which are buying it on some exchanges or through your crypto wallet using PancakeSwap. So, let's check out the ways to buy Lovely Inu meme coin. Number 1. Buy Lovely Inu coin on Bitmart exchange. Lovely Inu coin is available on Bitmart crypto exchange. The liquidity of Lovely Finance token is good here and you can trade this using USDT or Theta. Buy Lovely token on Rakuten exchange. Lovely Inu meme token can also be purchased from Rakuten crypto exchange using Theta or USDT. Number 3. Purchase Lovely Inu meme cryptocurrency on Hotbit. Some people don't like to trade on centralized exchanges due to privacy concern or KYC issues. So for those people, PancakeSwap is the best option left to purchase Lovely Inu coin. For a newcomer to the crypto, it is a little complex process to buy this meme coin, but if you follow our steps, you can easily buy Lovely Inu token and store it in your wallet. So now you will see the steps in your screen. You can pause the video and continue with the process. So before moving forward to the price prediction of Lovely Inu coin, let's take a look in the total supply of Lovely Inu coin. So initially Lovely Inu coin had 100 quadrillion coins, and this may make you think how will it reach $1 if there are so many coins in circulation. But wait, there is a good news. Out of 100 quadrillion coins, 99.9% of the coins have been burned. That is 0.1% coins are in circulation right now, which is about 100 trillion coins. Yes, I know, 100 trillion is also a huge number, but there is another good news. On August 1st, 2021, they burned 5 trillion coins, and their plan is to burn 5 trillion coins every 10 days till October 11th. That is, a total of 40 trillion coins will be burned by October 11th. But if you look in the other meme coins, you will find they are backed by some celebrities, like Elon Musk supporting the Dogecoin. But Lovely Inu coin still don't have any celebrity backup. But they have a future plan of listing themselves on some major exchanges like Binance, Wazirex, CoinGoku, CoinMarketCap, etc. And they are also trying to create their own crypto exchange and Lovely Inu wallet. Now comes the $1 million question. That is, will Lovely Inu coin reach $1 by the end of 2021? According to me, it's kind of impossible. But anything can happen in crypto. With more than 50 trillion coins in circulation, it seems like impossible. But as I told earlier, anything can happen in crypto. So if you want to invest in Lovely Inu coin, then I will suggest you to invest maximum of 1000 rupees. And the 1000 rupees of Lovely Inu coin will give you 7 crores Lovely Inu coins. And if the goal of $1 gets successful, then you will be a crorepati. But if they don't succeed, your 1000 rupees will be at least 10x or 100x, and that is also a win for you. So there you are guys, hope you enjoyed. If you did, then drop a like, and if you haven't yet subscribed, click below and join us.